In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money selling beginner-friendly ebook with ChatGPT and Etsy 5 minutes. We'll start by using ChatGPT to generate your content. Pick a beginner-friendly topic you know or want to research, then ask ChatGPT for ideas your audience cares about. Prompt it for a clear outline, chapter summaries, and key takeaways. Treat ChatGPT as a collaborator, not a replacement. Refine the outline so it matches your voice and the results your readers want. Next, use ChatGPT as a writing assistant to structure and draft your book. Ask for section by section drafts, examples, checklists, and calls to action. Keep your tone consistent and add your own insights, stories, or screenshots where relevant. Read everything aloud to catch awkward phrasing, and fact check any claims to maintain credibility. Once the content is solid, turn it into a polished product. Use a design tool like Canva to create a clean layout with readable fonts, generous spacing, and clear headings. Add a simple cover that highlights the promise of your ebook and include visuals or icons to break up text and keep readers engaged. Consistency matters. Use the same colors, fonts, and style across all pages. Export the ebook as a PDF. Add a small copyright notice on the first or last page and consider a subtle watermark. Keep file sizes efficient so they upload quickly and meet marketplace limits. Create compelling images that sell the ebook at a glance. Make a few mock-ups of your cover on devices or books and overlay short benefit-focused phrases to show outcomes and who the ebook is for. These images will become your listing's main visuals. Sign into Etsy and open your shop manager to add a new listing. Choose digital files under Who Made It, so buyers know it's an instant download. Upload your main PDF and any bonus files, keeping in mind you can upload up to 5 files at 20 megas each. Select Instant Download to deliver the files immediately after purchase. Optimize the listing with relevant keywords that shoppers actually search for. Write a clear description that explains the benefits, the problems your ebook solves, the page count, and the exact audience it's designed for. Use your mockups as the main photos to build trust quickly. Set a competitive price that reflects the value, and consider testing different price points over time. When you're happy, review every detail and publish. Finally, promote your ebook. Share it where your audience spends time. Use an email list if you have one, and consider Etsy ads to boost visibility. Stay responsive to buyer questions, gather reviews, and keep improving your offer.